how you upload your vodcast to turn it in. So we're on the assessment page. Everything you need to know is on this page. It's got all the information there. It's got part 1, the 9 things that you can choose from, the 9 pedagogical focus topics. You've got to choose one of them. Part 2, you've got to answer both these parts within part 2. And then there's the assessment criteria, which I'm sure is tattooed to your thigh and you know all the areas. So make sure before you hand this in, you've gone through and you've read through every single stage. So at the end of it, you can say, look, Nick, I've done part 1, I've done part 2, I've done part 1 and part 2. So you come to here, which is the Proforma Document. This is what you need to upload your assessment. So you're going to click on there. It'll bring you through to this. Now, I know a lot of students see this and just think, oh, it's another thing I have to fill in. Take some time to do it, okay? The whole point of this is you get marks for it. It's trying to improve your reflection, which you're going to have to do to become a teacher. You're going to have to reflect on your lessons. You're going to have to reflect on what worked in class and what didn't. Where in your work do you need help? Where are you quite strong? So put your student number. It's all quite explanatory. The program, name of the marker, don't worry about that. Your assignment title, so just you can put the vodcast there. Really important you put your URL link. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Now, take time to do this. Don't be that person who just puts one-word answers. Strengths, recorded well, good listening, good eye contact. Think about what have you done well. Think about what within this assessment. Maybe you're really good at presenting. Maybe you're really good at researching. Maybe you're really good at providing a balanced argument. Really important you think about your areas for improvement, because again, you can meet with your personal tutor and then talk about these. It's important for you to think about, where did you need help? Was it referencing? Was it, I don't know, working digitally? Take some time to do this. Don't do it 2 minutes before the assessment. Take a bit of time to do it. Definitely, it can help. Okay. So the most important bit is this YouTube URL link. You all will need this link. So if you're in a group of 4 or 5 or 6, all 6 of you, all 4 of you will need to have this link, and you drop it in here. I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so you're going to need a YouTube channel. You're going to sign in. So obviously you can see I'm signed in. This is my channel. Don't laugh at my views. My nan watches the videos. She loves me. Okay. All right, so you go to create. You're going to go to upload videos. You're going to go to select a file, and you are going to, I'm just going to show you on here. So say you've gone to using technology to present, for example. Hold on, let's go to, so I've got too many tabs open. People are laughing at all my tabs that are open. Let's get rid of a few of these tabs. There's a lot of tabs open. Sorry. Okay. All right, so let's minimize this. Let's go to here. Okay, so we're going to just drop this video into here, and you'll notice a bit loaded because you've got that here. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to put in, so say you are, I don't know, group 1, put all of your full names, so it would be Nick Young Nick, you get the idea. In your description, tell me what is your part 1, so what is the title. Part 2 is the aims. You might have called your curriculum something, the curriculum of awesomeness, whatever, okay? So then you're going to come down, make sure you fill these parts out. So no, it's not made for kids. Really important you do that. And then there's show more. Again, just so you don't get trolled. You come down to comments and ratings. You go to disable comments, just so you don't get trolled. Okay, that's really important that you do that. Now, only one person needs to do this in the group, but you need to make sure one person from your group does this. You go to next. So all this you don't need to worry about. You go to next. You go to next. So this is the page we need to know. You need to make it public. Do not worry about this going viral. I'm very sure your friends won't be finding it. If it does go viral, I want half of the money you get from this, but don't worry, no one's going to see this. Now, it's really important that you do it. Don't do unlisted, don't do private, because we're not going to be able to access it. Really important you do public. Okay. Now, it will take some time. You can see there the 22 seconds left. Go to copy the link. Okay. Share it with your group. Come back to the Proforma, and you're literally going to just drop it in there. Make sure it works. If we don't have access to it, we're not going to be chasing you over Christmas. Make sure you've checked it. Make sure we can have access to it. Make sure everyone in your group has that. I cannot stress that enough. Without this link to YouTube, we cannot access it. We can't mark your work. Okay. Something else that's really, really important. I've stressed this in the first session. When you have a YouTube account, so if you're a basic account, you can only upload videos that are 7 minutes. You have to look at my video, which shows you how to extend videos for longer than 15 minutes. Okay, that's so important. Don't do that 5 minutes before, because you'll miss the deadline. It takes 24 hours for YouTube to agree and allow you to do that. So important. Please don't do that, okay? So do your Proforma, get it handed in. So when this is ready, so let's go back to, so that's published. Really important you press publish, press close. Okay, let's come back to, so these are the assessment portals. If you are a Welsh medium student, obviously you go to here. If you're an English medium student, you go to here. So when I click this link, my view will be very different to yours. I'm obviously marking these. Yours will look different to this. You just upload the Word document, that Proforma, put it in, and that is all you need. You'll get a receipt. Make sure you get a receipt. Please do not upload this 3 minutes before the deadline. Obviously, the deadline's at 2 o'clock. Make sure that you do this on time. Okay. Any questions, problems, issues, please let me know in the seminar. But that was a short guide of how you upload your assessment.